Now we'll discuss person. In common parlance, by the word person, we mean human being, man or woman. But in the context of law, especially Income Tax Act, Contract Act, all indirect taxes, for any legal purpose, the meaning of the word person means not only individual but any institution which has legal base, which is a registered institution by any way. So what are the things which are inculcated into a definition of a person that we will see? Number one is individual. Mr. X, Mrs. Y, individual. Okay. Then HUF. HUF means Hindu Undivided Family. That is the meaning of HUF. This is the concept of joint Hindu law. Joint Hindu law gives the concept of co-parcenary property, hereditary property of a family. One person is Karta, who leads the family, who takes control of all assets and incomes, who expend for the family, who undertakes the responsibility of development of the family. That is Karta. Okay? So Hindu Undivided Family can file return of income as a common return of that particular family. That's why HUF. Third is partnership form. You know, partnership form is what? More than one person, two or more, comes together for doing particular business, and their business is governed by a partnership deed. Partnership deed is an understanding agreement between partners. Clear? Then cooperative society. What is society? Cooperative society is a group of members comes together for common benefits. Now, by society you mean residential society? Yes, cooperative housing society, cooperative marketing society, consumer society, employees credit cooperative society. There are a lot of types of society. Society is also a person. Then company. You know company, an artificial person created by law, a legal person enforceable at law. That means a company. Again, many types: private company, public company, holding, subsidiary, intermediate holding, intermediate subsidiary, then deemed public company, okay, foreign company, government company. There are number of types of company. Then body of individuals. It is a group of individuals only. They come together, it may be a joint venture for a particular project, and they forms body of individuals for a temporary period. They also comes under the definition of person. Then AOP. AOP is what? Association of persons. More than one person comes together, not individuals. One individual, one person. AOP. More than one persons comes together, association of persons. You know, so it is also a person. Then comes AJP, artificially juridical person. Okay, juridical means what? Which are legal base has been provided with particular jurisdiction under any law passed by the parliament. You know, for example, court of law, session court, civil court, any district criminal court, high court, Supreme Court. These are what? Artificially juridical persons. They also have incomes and losses. I must tell you. Clear? If it is local authority, you know local authority. PCMC, Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation. What is it? Local authority for Pimpri-Chinchwad area. It has also tax payment. It has to pay tax. It has to undergo with audit. So there may be a question in your minds. Who will be the auditor of PCMC? There is a system C and AG. C and AG. What is C and AG? Comptroller and Auditor General. Comptroller, not controller. Comptroller. COMPTROLLER. Comptroller and Auditor General. विशेष महालेखा निरीक्षक is the position given by the central government of India, under whom different audit parties are maintained state-wise. So they work like government auditors and they audit for local authorities. For example, Maharashtra government, it has to undergo with our audit how much tax is collected, how much grants are distributed, what are the expenses incurred by the government. Everything will be audited, and that audit will be done by CADG, Comptroller and Auditor General. Okay, so all these are persons, even if they are registered with legal base of the laws passed by the Parliament of India. You know. Then trust. What is trust? Trust means such an arrangement where three parties are there. Number one, author or settler. Author or settler means a person who sets aside some property for the benefits of beneficiary in the hands of trustee or trust manager. तीन लोग हैं. पहला कौन? Author or settler. For example, Ratan Tata ji has given some acres of land in Mawal. Okay, in the hands of one trust manager. He is appointed, Mr. X, and the school had been constructed there for poor students who cannot get basic education, school education. So free of cost education is given there. The beneficiary is what? Students. Trust manager is what? Mr. X. Author or settler is what? Who is there? Ratan Tata ji. So this is the arrangement of trust. So trust is an arrangement in which author or settler sets aside some property in the hands of trustee or trust manager for the benefits of beneficiary. Shall I hope it is understood? So all these are persons. They have legal binding. They can be sued in the court of law. They can sue any other person in the court of law, like company. Is that clear? So this is the definition of person for the purpose of Income Tax Act 1961. If any questions are there, you can ask. Any questions, any doubts? Okay, that's all.